ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। यदविद्याविलासेन भूतभौतिकसृष्टयः तन्नौमि परमात्मानं सच्चिदानन्दविग्रहं शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। What is Prama Lakshanam?
स्मृति व्यावृत्तम अनधिगत अबाधित विषय ज्ञानत्वं प्रमात्व।
स्मृति व्यावृत्त अनधिगत अबाधितत्व विषय ज्ञानत्व. And what is the Pramana Lakshanam?
प्रमायाः करणं प्रमाणम्.
Pramayaha Karanam Pramanam. Then this Pramayaha Karanam, साधारण करणम और असाधारण करणम.
असाधारण.
If we don't give asadharana karanam, if we don't give prama karanam, if we just say karanam, where is ati vyapti?
दंडादि.
In danda, chakra, etc. Because they are karanam, but they are not pramanam. They have karanatva, they don't have prama karanatva, so they are not pramanam. So ati vyapti dandadau ati vyapti varanaya, to avoid ati vyapti in danda, chakra, etc. we say prama karanam. If we don't give asadharana karanam, then where is the ati vyapti? Is it sadharana karanam or asadharana karanam?
असाधारण करण.
Asadharana karanam. So the Ativyapti will go into Sadharana karanam.
असाधारण कारण है.
What is the sadharana karana or sadharana karana? What is that where ati vyapti will be? Drishtanta you give.
ईश्वर काल और साधारण कारण.
No, in the Tika we saw, I think we covered that.
Manas.
It will go in mind because manaha is sadharanam karanam. Asadharana karanam. Asadharana karanatve sati vyaparvatvam. Karanatvam kim? Karanatvam ki?
असाधारण कारणत्वे व्यापारवत्वम.
Asadharana karanatve sati vyaparvatvam. If I don't give asadharana karanatve, then ati vyapti will be in mind. If I don't give vyaparavatvam, what is vyaparavatvam first? What is vyapara?
तज्जन्यत्वे सति तज्जन्यजनक जनको व्यापारः।
तज्जन्यत्वे सति जनको व्यापारः. You have to remember our example. Tajjanya, this is vyapara. For vyapara.
We can see your chats on YouTube. Not able to hear you.
What is the drishtanta given for vyapara?
Paramarsha.
Paramarsha. Paramarsha is tajjanyatve sati tajjanya janakaha. So what is that tad? Tajjanya is paramarsha. What is tad?
Vyapti jnanam.
Vyapti jnana. Tajjanyatve sati tajjanya janakaha. It is janaka. Janaka of what? Paramarsha is janaka of what?
Anumiti jnanam.
Anumiti jnana. Everybody can hear me?
Yes, Swamiji.
Swamiji.
Yes, Swamiji.
Okay.
Yes.
So up to this we saw. Jnanam. In the Lakshana for Pramatvam, it was given Smriti Vyavrittam Anadigata Abadhita Vishaya Jnanatvam. Vishaya Jnanatvam means, what is Vishaya Jnanatvam? That Vishaya which is Anadhigata and Abadhita. Vishaya should be Anadhigata. Vishaya should be Abadhita. Tasya Vishayasya Jnana is Prama. So Rajju Sarpa Vishaya is Badhita. And Mama Shariram is Adhigata. It is not Anadhigata. So Tad Vishaya Smriti will be there. Adhigata Vishaya Smriti is there. So to eliminate, it is said Smriti Vyavrittam. So it will not be Adhigata Vishaya. Jnanam is of two types. What are the two types of Jnanam according to Tarka Sangraha?
Smriti and Anubhava.
Smriti and Anubhava. Anubhava is of two types. What are they?
Yathartha, Yathartha.
Yathartha and Ayathartha. Yathartha Anubhava, Ayathartha Anubhava. Two are there. यथार्थ अनुभव is called praman according to Tarkika. So Prama-lakshanam means yathartha vishayaka. That which is not badhita is called yathartha. They will define it as tadvati tat prakaraka.
tat prakarako.
Tadvati tat prakaraka. Tadvati tad prakaraka. Ghatavati घटत्व प्रकारक ज्ञानम. घटत घटत्ववती घटत्व प्रकारक ज्ञान. घटत्ववती घटत्व प्रकारक ज्ञान. This is Prama. Means there where ghatatva is, there such jnanam takes place, and it is Prama. There where there is rajjutva, rajjutvavati सर्पत्व प्रकार का ज्ञानम. रज्जुत्व वाले में सर्पत्व का ज्ञान, that is अप्रमा. Okay. Once yathartha anubhav takes place, let us say, from that anubhava will come samskara. Samskara janya will be smriti. In that smriti, pramanatva will be there or not.
No, Swamiji.
Can smriti jnanam be pramanam? Pramanam. I'll give you an example. Let us say Acharya said Tattvamasi. Try to take any other example. Tattvamasi. You heard that. Next day, when you reflect on Tattvamasi Vakya, is it Pramana Vakya or not?
Pramana Vakya.
It is Pramana. So Smriti, why it should not be a Pramana Vakya? Smriti is Pramanam. What I heard yesterday, if it was Apta Purusha Vakya, then its recollection today is also Pramanam. So it is Pramanam. Whatever you heard as Pramanam one day, next day its Smriti is Pramanam. This you should remember. Then why Smriti Vyavrittam is given? Smriti Vyavrittam is given in the Pramatva Lakshanam. Okay. At that time it is not called Prama. At that time it is classified as Smriti. What is Pramana Janya is Pramana. Oh, sorry. What is Pramana Janyam is Prama. What is Smriti Janyam is not considered as Prama. But Smriti can be of Pramana. Pramana Vakya. And this happens all the time. In fact, most of our vyavahara is from Smriti. And in Smriti, tadvati tat prakarakatvam can be there. Or safala pravritti janakatvam. Safala pravritti janakatvam is when your pravritti, let's say you saw water somewhere far in the summer. If you go there, if you don't find water, it is nishphala pravritti janakatvam. Then it is not pramatvam. But if you go there, you find water, it is safala pravritti janakatvam. So if it is safala pravritti janakatvam, it is still pramatvam. This is another definition you can give. Just as tadvati tat prakarakatvam pramatvam, safala pravritti janakatvam also can be pramatvam. This is gauna. And smriti also is safala pravritti janaka. Let's say yesterday you saw there is Gangaji. Today you remember, oh, yesterday there was water. So you can go there and you find water. Then that smriti is also prama, because it is producing some result which is the right result. Safala pravritti janakatvam it has. These are some different ideas. We should not forget them. Main definition is what is given in the Moolam. Smriti vyavrittam anadigata abadita vishaya jnanatvam. And pramakaranam we saw pramayaha asadharana karanatve. Karanatva means asadharana karanatve sati vyaparavatvam. One question was asked, Paramarsha Adau. What is Adipada? Adi means anywhere, whatever that kind of vyapara is. I think when Tarka Sangrah was going on, I had given the example of the danda spinning of the wheel through danda. Right? That example.
Yes, Swamiji.
Chakri Karanam, something like that.
Pramikriya.
Brahmana Kriya.
Kriya. So that Brahmana Kriya of the chakra is also Vyapara. Like that, any other Vyapara in that Lakshana should not go. That's what it was given. Vyaparavatvam. Tena paramarshadau savyapare manasicha na ati prasanga. There is no ati vyapti in paramarsha. Okay, so we have seen up to smriti vyavrittam pramatvam. Now we have to see further. This is on page number 20 according to my book, but I don't know what book you have. And what is your page number? You note. Tathacha. This is the next portion. Tathacha tasyaha alakshyatvat न तत्र अव्याप्तिरिति भावः. तथा च तस्याः अलक्ष्यत्वात् तत्र न अव्याप्तिः. तस्याः मीन्स स्मृतेः,
प्रमाया
not pramaya. Smriti. Smriti is not lakshya. Prama is our lakshya. Smriti, when Smriti Vyavrittam is given. So, if I say Smriti Vyavrittam, in Lakshanam, Smriti is included.
no Swamiji.
No. Smriti is Lakshya or Alakshya?
Alakshya.
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 He is Alakshya. If the Lakshana does not go in Smriti, what is the dosha?
No dosha.
There is no dosha.
Avyapti.
In Alakshya, if the Lakshana does not go, there is no dosha. So, tathacha tasyaha alakshyatvat. Na tatra avyaptihi. In Alakshya, Lakshana doesn't go. In Lakshya, if Lakshana doesn't go, then there is what dosha?
Vyapti.
Avyapti.
Avyapti. In Lakshya, if Lakshana doesn't go, it is Avyapti. In Alakshya, if Lakshana doesn't go, no Avyapti. Na tatra Avyapti iti bhava. Smrutavati vyapti varanaya anadhigata iti vishaye visheshanam. Vishaya should be anadhigata. Smrutau ativyapti varanaya. In Smriti, ativyapti should not happen. For that, anadhigata word is given. Because Smriti is only of those things which are already adhigata. You have anubhava, yathartha anubhava. Anubhava janya samskara. Sanskara janya smriti. Between anubhava and smriti, what is vyapya and what is vyapaka?
Smriti is Vyapya and Anubhava is Vyaka.
Vyapaka, correct. Smriti is vyapya, means every anubhava need not be smriti. But every smriti has to come only from anubhava. Is this point clear?
Yes,
Yes,
Swamiji.
Swamiji.
Everybody? Between smriti and anubhava. Smriti will be there only of those things whose anubhava is there. But every anubhava need not result in smriti. So this is the difference. Vishaya anadhigata iti vishaya visheshanam. So if the vishaya is abadhita and vishaya is anadhigata, then tad vishayasya jnanam also will be abadhita and anadhigata. Rajju sarpa is badhita vishaya, therefore Rajju sarpa jnanam also will be badhita jnanam. That badhita jnanam cannot be called prama. And when they say anadhigata, means if ghata is not pratyaksha, and I am thinking of some ghata, that smriti is not prama. Why? Because it was known in the past. It is adhigata vishaya. But this point he is going to discuss for something else soon. Okay. But this much we should remember. If a vishaya is not available in the vartamana, bhuta vishaya or bhavishya vishaya, then that vishaya, in that adhigatatvam is not there. Because I am recollecting it from smriti. So therefore, its jnanam is not pramadin, because it is adhigata vishaya jnanatvam. Further, shukti rupya jnanadau tan nirasaya abadhita iti. Shukti rupya jnanam is badhita vishaya jnanam. So to avoid shukti rupya jnanam, what is the visheshana given in pramatvam?
abadita.
Abadhita vishaya jnanatvam. Jnana padam. I am assuming I don't have to translate such sentences. Shukti rupya jnanadau tan nirasaya abadhita iti. Abadhita iti. How will you complete the sentence?
Jnanatvam.
Apathitte apathitteti vishaye visheshanam.
Abadhita iti vishaye visheshanam. Like earlier, anadhigata iti vishaye visheshanam. Jnanapadantu swarupa kathanaya ichhadinam adya visheshanenaiva nirasat. Jnanapadam. Jnanapadam, where is it given?
Jnana vishayatvam.
So in Jnana Vishayatvam, first he talked about what is abadhita, anadhigata, then abadhitva. Now next is Jnana Vishayatvam. So Jnana Padam he talks. He says why Jnana Padam is given? Swarupa Kathanaya. If you don't give Jnanam and if you just say anadhigata, abadhita, Vishayatvam, anadhigata, abadhita, Vishayatvam, Jnanatvam you don't give. Then what will happen? He says, Jnana Padam is for Swarupa Kathana. Means what is the nature of that thing? The nature of Prama is a Jnanam. What do you mean Jnanam? It is not Ichhadi. Ichhadinam. Ichha is not Jnanam. Jnana, Ichha, Prayatna. These are different things according to Tarka Sangraha. In Atma they say, and in Vedanta also we say, Jnanam is through Pramana Vyapara. Ichhadi, they are expressions from your Vasana, from your Smriti. And Ichhadi, they don't need Pramana Vyapara. One. Second, Ichhadi are of the Jnata Vishaya or Ajnata Vishaya.
ज्ञात विषय.
So they will be only of the adhigata vishay. Anadhigatatva will not be there in Ichha. Ichha will have only adhigata vishayatvam. Because janati, then ichhati, then yatate, then karoti. Without jnanam, there is no Ichha. So Ichha, etc., Ichha, Yatna, they will be of adhigata vishaya. Anadhigata vishayatvam will not be there. That's why it is given Ichhadinam adya visheshanenaiva nirasat. Ichhadi are eliminated only by the first visheshana. Anadhigata visheshana itself will eliminate Ichhadi. Okay. Up to this, one thing is complete. One discussion. Now he says Yadva or Chakshuradishu Ativyapti Varanartham Jnana iti. Chakshuradishu Ativyapti Varanartham. How Prama Lakshanam will go in Chakshu, so that to avoid Ativyapti, instead of saying Anadhigata Avadhita Vishayatvam, we have to say Anadhigata Avadhita Jnana Vishayatvam. Because he says Chakshuradishu Ativyapti Varanartham. What are Chakshuradi?
Indriya.
What are the Indriyani here? They are Prama Karana. Lakshana, instead of going in Prama, will go in Prama Karana. Chakshuradi means Prama Karana. So Acharya says, if we don't give Jnanam, Lakshana can go in Jnana Karanam. How Lakshana will go in Jnana Karanam? Because he says, Teshamapi Phaladvara Ghatadi Vishayatva Abhyupagamat Tesham Chakshuradinam. All of you are able to hear clearly?
Yes,
Yes.
Swamiji.
Yes, Swamiji.
Yes, Swamiji.
Tesham Chakshuradinam. Api Phaladvara. Phala means what is their result. They produce something. Prama Karanam. Its result will be Prama. So, if you don't give Jnanam in the Lakshana, Lakshana can go into Jnana Karana, Prama Karana. Because Prama Karana also produces Prama. Its Phalam is Prama. Tesham api Phaladvara Ghatadi Vishayatva Abhyupagamat. Ghatadi Vishayatva becomes known. So, this is what we should understand here. See, Jnanam. Jnanam in Karana Vyutpatti and in Bhava Vyutpatti, Lakshana can be different. Karana Vyutpatti, Jnayate Anena. Whenever you say Karana Vyutpatti, means either you have to give something, you have to give in Tritiya Vibhakti. Because Karana is indicated through Tritiya. Jnayate Anena or Anaya. Something you have to give. Yaihi in Bahuvachan. Tad jnanam. Jnayate anena tad jnanam. Anena means that by which something becomes known. That by which something becomes known, that is jnanam. Then what is jnana shabda vachyam?
Karana.
Jnana karanam. Jnana karana is called jnanam because this is karana vyutpatti. Jnayate anena iti jnanam. Like if you remember, we saw in Mandukya, Soyam Atma Chatushpat, it was said. Atma is Chatushpat. What is Padam? Padam means
Padyate anena iti.
that is Karana Vyutpatti. Padyate anena iti Padam. And Bhava Vyutpatti will be Padyate Gamyate iti Padam. What is reached is also Padam. That by which something is reached, that means by which something is reached is also called Padam. You see, that's why Padam means footsteps. They are called Padam. And Padam means final position which is reached. So Karana Vyutpatti says Padyate anena iti Padam. And Padam means that final position. So that's how it was explained in Mandukya, if you remember. In the 4 pada, the first 3 padas, they are Padyate anena. In there you have to understand Padam through Karana Vyutpatti. Prathama pada, Dvitiya pada, Tritiya pada are the means. And Chaturtha pada is the goal. Do you recollect this?
Yes, Swamiji.
So, Chaturtha pad is the final destination. So that is Padam in Bhava Vyutpatti. 3 padas,
Karana Vyutpatti.
3 padas are Bahishprajna, Antaprajna and Prajnanaghana. Jagarita Sthana, Swapna Sthana and Sushupti Sthana. Right now you are in which Sthana?
Jagarita sthana.
Turiya, Swamiji.
This is a trick question. To be in Jagarita Sthana, you have to be Saptanga. Saptanga means I have to be Virat. Because Jagarita Sthano Bahishprajna Saptanga hai Ekonavimshati Mukha. I am in Jagarita Sthana or I am Jagarita Sthana. Jagaritam Bahugri. Jagaritam Sthanam Yasya. Then Saptani Angani Yasya. Saha Saptanga. Saptanga whose Murdha is Swargaloka.
Loka.
So, we may like to say we are Jagarita Sthana, but we should also say I am Saptanga. Ekonavimshati Mukha, so we are all the time. At the moment I am Jagarita Sthana, Eka Jiva Vada will come. If you do thinking, lot of things become clear. Okay. So, ज्ञायते अनेन तज्ज्ञानम. This is karana vyutpatti or bhava vyutpatti?
करणव्युत्पत्ति.
So by this, jnana shabda vachyam is chakshuradikam. So, chakshu adi, the karana, there ativyapti can happen, because if you don't give jnana shabda directly, then ativyapti will happen in jnana karana. But chakshuradi, are they chakshuradi vishayam or not? Can chakshuradi be known by chakshuradi?
No, Swamiji.
No. Jnanendriya cannot be known by Jnanendriya, because they are sukshma sharira. Sukshma vastu cannot be seen by Indriya. If you say Indriyas are seeing Shabda Sparsha Rupa Rasa Gandha, are they seeing Sthula Panchikrita Shabda Sparshadi or Apanchikrita Shabda Sparshadi?
Panchikrita.
Panchikrita only. Apanchikrita vastu we cannot see. So, they are anadhigata and abadhita also, chakshuradi. In other words, to avoid lakshana to go in chakshuradi, he says further, nyaptir jnanam. Instead of saying jnayate anena iti jnanam, he makes it clear, nyaptir jnanam. Because you see, chakshuradishu ativyapti varanartham jnanam. Yadva, starting from there, chakshuradishu ativyapti varanartham jnanam. Somebody says, chakshuradi are jnana karanam, therefore we give jnanam. A Vaiyakarana will say, I know how to imply jnana karanam through jnanam by karana vyutpatti. So even if you say anadhigata abadhita vishaya jnanatvam chakshuradi, they are anadhigata, they are abadhita, right?
Yes, Swamiji.
Chakshuradi,
Yes,
are,
Swamiji.
they are not known. They are abadhita, means they are not pratibhasika. So they are anadhigata vishaya jnanam, abadhita vishaya jnanam. And by jnana pada, he says, I will take jnana karanam, jnayate anena iti jnanam. So to avoid this, jnaptir jnanam is the next sentence now. Jnaptir jnanam, not jnayate anena iti jnanam, but jnaptir jnanam, this bhava vyutpatti is taken. Otherwise, in chakshuradi, there will be ativyapti. Even if you give jnana pada, there will be ativyapti in chakshuradi. Everybody understood this or not?
Yes, Swamiji.
Everybody got it?
Yes, sir.
Swamiji.
Hmm. Chakshuradi also can be called what?
Jnanam.
Jnanam. Correct. So to avoid that, he says, Jnaptir Jnanam Tena na tatkarane jnane ativyaptihi. Therefore, if you say Jnaptir Jnanam, not Jnayate anena iti Jnanam, then in Jnana Karana, tatkarane jnane na ativyaptihi. The Karana, which is also referred by the word Jnanam, in that there will not be ativyapti. Is it clear?
Yes, Swamiji.
Yes.
Yes, Swamiji.
Next point is Smrutavapi Pramanya Vyavahara Darshanat Aha. In Smriti also, Pramanya Vyavahar can be there. Smriti can be Pramana. Right? I explained. Like Tattvamasi Mahavakya, Smrutau Pramanya Vyavahara Darshanat. Aha Smriti iti. Smriti iti. Smriti Sadharanam. That is the next part now. Smriti Sadharanam to Abadhita Vishaya Jnanatvam. This point we will see in the next session. Those who did not get everything clear, they will have to sit and put every word. Okay? Then things will be clear. Means in this text, you will have to put equal effort. Huh? Sahanau bhunaktu. Sahaviryam karvavahai. Then only it will happen. Otherwise, this grantha will go away. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vivagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.